If two cars arrive at the intersection at the same moment, drivers on the left should yield to vehicles approaching from the right. When a stop sign is present before the intersection, vehicles facing the stop sign must yield to all other traffic. Cars traveling straight have priority over turning vehicles. When two vehicles reach a four-way stop at the same time, one vehicle is turning right as another vehicle turns left. Right-turning traffic has the right of way. If vehicles arrive at the intersection at different times, whoever reaches the intersection first has the right of way.